You look like a fool to me. Tell me, why'd you have to go and make things so complicated? I see the way you're acting like it's somebody else gets me frustrated. Lies like this, you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into. Honestly, I promise me I'm never gonna find you faking. No, no, no.
When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I'll hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. 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 When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I'll hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I'll hold you till the sun comes in the morning light. Yeah, I'll keep you safe, I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. When your heart is racing, racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No.
Coron! Welcome to the top view of Coron, guys. Grabe, it's almost 800 plus steps to get in here. Pero it's all worth it. Tignan nyo naman yung view, diba? So, this is the top view of Coron. Good morning. See? Oh. It's nice to go up in here in the morning. I swear. Tignan mo naman yung pawis ko. But it's all worth it. I wish you could see this. Look at the view. Kung merong high ridge or Higala Ridge of Failure, this is the top view of Coron, Palawan. Look at that. It took me almost 800 plus steps to get in here, but look at parang ako naligo, pero it's all worth it. We are here in the morning. We came here from 5 a.m. and it's almost 6. And look at the view. Hello guys! Welcome to the top view of Palawan. Hi guys! So I've been planning this trip for a year now, and minsan I thought that di na matutuloy, pero it was 2024 when we went to El Nido and we planned out going to Coron again, and it's now 2026, but I guess beautiful things takes time. So let me tell you, or let me show you what Coron Palawan looks like in the top view or aerial view. There, that's the town proper. So look at that. Says 5:30 a.m. So we went here for about 5, then hiked 8 steps, 800 steps. So there you can see the city, and on the other side, as you can see, oh, it's a mountain view top. So it's all worth it. So I'm really thankful and grateful for all the blessings this year. So what for the bucket list? Look at the grass flowing, the sun in your skin, and of course the wind, the breeze. So I wish you are here with me on this journey. But for now, let me just show you in the lens of my camp what Coron Palawan looks like. So here's a random rant for today. So it's been a while since I posted in my random rants, no? So I'm here in the beautiful Palawan, Coron. So behind me is the top view of Coron, Palawan. So I wish you could all see it here. It's a beautiful place, no? So what's my random thought of the day? Sometimes in life, we hinder our happiness. Tayo lang din yung parang nagbibigay ng reason kung bakit hindi tayo happy. Sometimes, the simplest way to approach life is just, let it be. Things happen, and wala lang. Just like this. I had my inhibitions, I had my worries, both financially and both, of course, about myself. But here I am. Last to 2024, we had the chance to go to El Nido as well. It was fun, and then supposedly by the next year, we will be coming here in Coron. But 24, 25, and here it is, 2026. sometimes things doesn't go to plan, but eventually if things really is meant to happen, then it will happen. So look at me, enjoy the beautiful city of Palawan. So I hope you guys just take it in, take everything in life, how onerous life, you know. I like the word onerous because it means that life always gives shit, 'di ba? Yung buhay natin, it's full of, I don't know. Pero what's beautiful about life is like the sunrise and the sunset. That's why I'm a person who likes sunrise and sunset is because when you see sunrise, you see new beginnings. Diba, it's another day, but what I love the most is the sunset because I've read it somewhere that sunsets are the signal that the worst day comes to an end and you are in a hope of welcoming the next sunrise. So, ibig sabihin, kahit gaano man kabigat yung araw na to, andyan yung sunset. Ibig sabihin nun, patapos na yung mabigat na araw na yun. And then bukas is another day, another challenge, and wala lang, another chance at life. Not all of us are given another chance at life. But here we are. So we have to be grateful and thankful. So that's my random rant of today. Again, see you in the next one. Bye guys.